Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Auto Works and Off-Road. Today we're going to be working on my 2015 JKU. It's got the Dana 30 and the Dana 44. We're going to be putting some diff covers and LubeLocker gaskets on there. I got them from East Coast Gear Supply. Great guys to work with. I called them and I was on and off the phone like 10 minutes. Super helpful dude, super chill, so that was nice. Got them sponsored by car sponsors. So, this is a 2015, should work for everything we come in contact, should be about the same between 07 and 2018. So, I'm going to show you how to install these, get the lube out of your diffs, and this is a good process, and it kind of gives you a chance to look at your axle seals and everything in and around your axles, see if you've got anything else you need to replace under there. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts on this Dana 30 up here, and it's a 1/2 inch, so we're going to go ahead and take those off. Make sure you got something to put your oil in and a nice wide funnel. Alright, now that you got your lube out of the diff, you can kind of look around in here, look at gears, make sure there's no chunks, make sure there's no like excessive shavings in the bottom. This is a good time to double check your gear ratio. You can find it anywhere on the internet how to do the math on that. You count the splines on the ring gear and divide them by the splines on the pinion gear, I believe. Either way, you can find that online. Kind of spray everything out with a parts cleaner and grab yourself something to scrape the old gasket off with. Make sure it's nice and clean. Then we can go ahead and put on our new LubeLocker gasket. Now these are the diff covers that we got from East Coast Gear Supply. They're the Yukon heavy duty diff covers. It comes with some bolts and of course your upper and lower fill points, or you got like a fill plug and then you got like a drain plug, and super sick. I love these. And then we'll look all the way over here. And I did get a LubeLocker for each diff cover. So that was the Dana 30. And of course we are doing both ends. We're going to do the Dana 44 as well. It also came with a bag of bolts and plugs. And there's the LubeLocker gasket and the diff cover. Okay, make sure you get everything tightened up. Now we're going to fill this diff up with 80-90 gear oil until it spills out this hole here. Alright, so now, obviously, we're going to go ahead and do the back. The bolts on the back diff, or the Dana 44, The Dana 30 was in the front. We got the 44 in the back here. Bolts are the same size, and you can go ahead and take out the drain plug first if you want, or it's technically a fill plug on these stock Diff covers. But it's going to be all the same process as it was in the front. So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, that was my video on installing the Yukon Diff covers on my JKU. I hope you learned something, I hope you liked the video, and I hope you go check out other videos that I got on my channel. I got a lot to look at. Events, repairs, customizations, all sorts of stuff. So, thank you for watching and have a nice day.